Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthea and today I am going to be sharing with you guys Jada Pinkett'S Avocado face mask. I recently watched her skincare routine that she shared on her YouTube channel. It's a very detailed video and I found her avocado mask really interesting and I would like us to try it out. She did share a very detailed video about her skincare routine. It has about nine or 10 steps. And the avocado mask is step number 6. Start by steaming your face. Clean your face and then steam afterwards. I have a big bowl of hot water here. Be careful not to burn yourself and just let the steam hit your face. Steaming will help open your pores up. It will help loosen up all that dead skin, all that stuff that is clogging your skin, and it will also help hydrate your skin a little bit. So this mask requires 1 avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. I am going to be making half of that amount. I have in here half an avocado. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and half a tablespoon of honey to eat. Combine this very well. And that's all you need to do for the mask. Now I am going to use I'm going to use my spoon to apply my mask directly onto my clean and freshly steamed skin. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. So guys, I have just rinsed the mask off and I have to say this is super hydrating. It is really nice. My skin feels really soft and really hydrated. I had bits of dry skin around here and around my eyes, under my eyebrows. Yeah, I had really dry skin. I think it was even flaky, a bit flaky, and that is gone. That is completely gone. It is super hydrating. Try this out. I love it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to share.